Hello everyone, I'm Washim Sajjad. I'm working as an assistant professor at IARE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. I hope all of you are doing very well. So today we are here in this virtual platform to discuss a very important topic. The topic is related to soft skills for engineers. We often overlook these skills as a subject of study, though these skills has very important role in our career growth and employment opportunities. So before going to the main discussion of the topic, I would like to give you an overview. I would like to give some highlights about what I am going to deal throughout the lecture. As you know, as you understand and from this content and given here, that I am going to deal about in various aspects of soft skill. I will basically discussing about various aspects of soft skills, the relevance of soft skills, the importance of soft skills, and the significance of soft skills. And while doing that, and we will also compare hard skill with and soft skills to get the meaning, proper meaning, to get the clearer meaning. At the same time, we will also explore the meaning and definition of soft skill to have a crystal clear understanding what is a soft skill is. And we also discuss on how a soft skill is also important for engineers. Then we'll move to the most valued soft skills that are required for our career goals. And at last, and before concluding this lecture, and I will also introduce you, I will also give you some idea on how you can identify your weakness and that signal that you need to have, you need to improve your soft skills. So let's get started for this virtual lecture. I hope all of you are ready. When seeking a new job or contemplating a career change, individuals often prioritize hard skills acquisition or technical training. So, and it is very basic. People, students, and who are studying in various engineering colleges, various IITs, various other institutions, they are basically focusing about on their hard skill and technical skill. Somebody is graduating from in graduating and with major in computer science, with major in electronics engineering. So students have basically this an idea that, and we, if you do this in course and we will and good at hard skill, we will achieve the competencies and technical competencies, and that is that is required for and getting a job. So they think that it is the one important thing that will give them a desired job. However, emphasizing soft skill can significantly enhance one's employability and effectiveness in new role. So as we assume that only acquiring hard skill or technical skill isn't sufficient for and getting any new role and getting any new job in this today's market world, but it is not like that. We need to give emphasis on soft skill too. Soft skill is also play very pivotal role and for employability. When seeking a new job or contemplating a career change, individuals often prioritize hard skill acquisition or technical training. So you know that we pursue in various courses, and suppose an BTech course, MTech course, and to have some specialization on technical training, and this is an technical training. So we are basically about achieving the technical training. So with BTech course, with MTech course, and we achieve this and technical skill. So suppose you are pursuing BTech on computer science. So you must be good at JavaScript or C++. And suppose somebody is in civil engineering and he can he is good at making graph and maybe making blueprint for new construction. So they think that, and these competencies, especially engineers and with the technical training, and they think that these competencies are enough for their employability. However, emphasizing soft skills significantly enhance one's employability, effect, and effectiveness in new role. So when we are looking for a job or looking for a new role, so it is the technical training is not insufficient, but we also need and soft skill. So soft skill is also very important here. Soft skill play pivotal role in career growth, advancement, allowing individuals to navigate complex professional landscape and building strong professional relationship. So here you see, and why soft skill is needed. Soft skill is needed and for career growth, advancement in the complex and professional landscape, and also to build a professional relationship. So you might be saying now, you might be thinking that we are competent enough in terms of our technical skills. And why do we need to learn and soft skills? Because then technical competencies are something that is exactly required for the tasks that isn't given to you to do. So you must be thinking that technical skill is the only thing that is enough for a new role. So these competencies are enough for a task to be done. But it's not the same. So you must be questioning me. You must have some kind of question in your mind. What sir isn't saying? That in and with accusing with the accusation of technical training, and we cannot able to be fit in the professional landscape and for employability. Yes, you cannot be. It is not me saying. It is not I am saying that in soft skills and play pivotal role for career growth. Whereas hard skill single-handedly cannot be insufficient competencies and for career opportunity. So there are a survey that has already been done that have already been done by multiple research center, and that also shows the importance of soft skills. So these are the surveys. So that talk about the importance of soft skills. A study by Harvard University, Stanford Research Center, and Carnegie Foundation concluded that technical abilities account only for 15% success in any job. Only 15% success for any job role. And soft skill and interpersonal abilities and make up the rest. Soft skill and interpersonal abilities make up the rest. It means that soft skill play 85% role to give you an ace for new role. It is not I am saying, it is this research that has already been done, and they are in saying that. According to another survey, according to conducted survey and another conducted survey, and this survey is done on the opinion of employer who hire employee. So employer, and they have some set of criteria for hiring, and employer did observe among their employee that while they're working in certain professional sector, and this employer and find that many employees are lacking soft skills. Among these are written skill is the first one. Written skill is the first one that most of the employee lack. They said that it is 82%. The survey said that it is 82%. 82% in employee lack this written communication skill. Problem solving is next. So here you see that in problem solving that 80.9 almost 80.9% employees and lack this and problem solving ability. And the teamwork is another skill under the soft skills that many of the employee, almost 78% of the employee lack. So we see that even this Harvard University, Stanford Research Center, Carnegie Foundation, they concluded that an hard skill play only 15% role. At the same time, in another survey based on the employer's overview, employer's opinion, they say that many of their employee lack soft skills. So it means soft skills play a very vital role for career growth and professional opportunity. So this from this and survey we understand that what is the importance of soft skills. So now we'll understand the meaning and definition of soft skill to have clear understanding about soft skills. Dictionary says a soft skill or professional skill is a personal skill that is usually interpersonal. What is this? This is usually interpersonal, non-specialized, and difficult to quantify, such as leadership and responsibility. So if you see this in definition, that all the keyword, it is interpersonal, it is non-specialized, difficult to quantify, and that develop leadership and responsibility skills. So here we see, if you connect all these and keywords, and we find that they are all related to personality traits, one's own personality traits. Non-specialized means, and there is no specific competencies on the basis of that, and we can understand then this is the soft skill. Soft skill can include anything and related to person's personality traits, his and behavior, manners, and it is difficult to quantify. It is not unmeasurable. So it is related to leadership, responsibility, understanding oneself, understanding the surrounding also. So if you say and more easily, soft skill refers to technical ability, non-technical abilities. Soft skills refers to non-technical abilities that influence our performance in workplace. Unlike technical or hard skill, soft skill do not pertain to knowledge one possesses, but rather to the behaviors one exhibit in various situations. So as you see that soft skill is not related to the core competencies or core knowledge and that require for any job to be done, any task to be done, but it is in something, the kind of an behavior, and it is a very important keyword here, and behavior. So it is all about the behavior and we hold while and working in a group, while and doing the task. So that behavior and manners, the outlook when we hold and while and doing all the jobs and that we are doing. Now we'll explore this understanding of soft skill more clearly. Soft skill can alternatively be described as set of positive attributes, competencies. I have already told you that soft skill is related to the behaviors, manners, attitude we hold and while doing any task, while working in any professional sector, while functioning in a society. So soft skills can alternatively be described as an positive attributes, competencies that have potential to enhance work performances and productivity, foster better relationship, and make individual accessible in the workplace. So, and this last word, and accessible in workplace, means that a individual have, will be having a kind of outlook with himself that people and his co-worker, his boss, and his subordinate can approach him, can easily access him. So this is all about in soft skills. So now in order to advance and professionally within one's field and beyond, it is crucial to foster positive workplace relationship with peers, client, customer, and other professional associates. The inability to harmonious interaction with others can hinder career growth. So soft skill is all about this positive workplace and relationship with peers, clients, customers, and other professional associates. So in the modern workforce, while we are working in togetherness to achieve something great, here we need a huge amount of collaboration, cooperation, understanding. So for that, we need soft skills. So without soft skills, our career growth can be hindered. So now at this end point, till this end point of time, and we have already formed a certain idea about what is a soft skill. We have already construct some kind of understanding and what is soft skills. So now to and make it more crystal clear and give you more better understanding, I would like to compare hard skills with soft skills. Hard skills with soft skills. Then you can understand more better in a more better manner what is the relevance of soft skills. The primary distinction between hard skill and soft skills lie in their acquisition and application within the workplace. I'm reading it once again. The primary distinction between hard skills and soft skills lie in their acquisition and application within the workplace. Here you see, and in this line you can observe the manner their manner of acquisition is very important, and applications. So hard skill and soft skills differ in terms of the manner of acquisition and the way we apply in the workplace. So hard skills are measurable, usually obtained through formal education. So hard skill only we have a systematic and formal education to achieve. You can achieve hard skill and with formal education and training. So hard skill are measurable and usually obtained through formal education and training programs. They include competencies and such as operating specific machinery, software, and other tools. Specific machineries, software, and other tools. So hard skills are all about the core competencies that isn't required for the work to be done. But it's not and give us the A's that how we will do this work. And for that, and we need soft skills. So soft skills are often perceived as personality traits that you may have been nurturing throughout your life. They come into play when you manage your time, communicate with others, or face challenging situation for first time. So soft skills is all about in personality traits. Again and again, I am saying that in soft skill is related to something, the behaviors, the manners, the etiquettes, and the personality traits and we hold and while doing any work. It means when we do our work with the help of our core competencies, with the knowledge and that we are with the knowledge this with the hard skill that we acquire, and after using that when you are doing any work, and soft skills and give us a behavior. So therefore, and to conclude, what is the difference and between soft skills and hard skill? Hard skills are job related competencies and abilities that are necessary to complete work, which while soft skill are personal qualities and traits that impact how you work. So soft skills and hard skills are in different in terms of their application. Soft skill application is totally different from hard skill. Hard skills are all about the core competency, and it is required to do any job perfectly. But soft skills and give us how we do that job, and soft skill is something how that traits in impact your work. So here I have included different examples of hard skills and soft skills. So here are the list of hard and soft skills. This will give you the clear idea what is and soft skills and what is hard skill. Here hard skill is mathematics and quantitative analysis, machine operating, for example operating heavy machineries, graphic design, accounting and financial analysis, web development, example HTML, CSS, JavaScript, database management, example SQL and other skill, language proficiency. So these are the hard skills. So if you observe all these and hard skills, and we see they are related to the core competencies. But in here, and if you analyze the example of soft skills, like the example of soft skills include teamwork, critical thinking, integrity, adaptability, professionalism, creativity, resilience, empathy, organization. So these all are related to these all soft skills are related to personality traits and behavior a person hold and while he or she is doing any task. So now till this point of time we have understood what is the significance, what is the importance, what is the meaning of soft skills. Now we will understand, we'll try to know what is the significance of soft skill specifically in the context of engineers. So soft skills for engineers, to know about the significance of soft skills for engineers, we have to know first what engineers do. What is the task of engineers? What is the role of engineers in society? And who are engineers? To know about engineers, it is always better to know what they do, what is their work, what is their role in society. So engineers are basically doing a or serving a huge task for society. They are constructing flyover, they are constructing building, they are constructing metro station, they are constructing metro rail, they are developing new software for to make our everyday work easy. So they employ themselves in different and various and tasks, and that is very effective for our social functioning. So soft skills, so engineers in a way serve a very huge purpose and for social functioning. So they can be called as leader, as social leader, as they have to analyze the the present challenges on the basis of that, and they also construct and develop different new things on the basis of the present demand. As we are in the 21st century, and we are already facing the problem of overpopulations, and when there is an overpopulation and we have a more demand and more challenges and from people to solve that and demand and challenges, to solve this and challenges, engineers play a very vital role. So engineers as two visionaries and shaping our modern world also bear weight of their most formidable challenges. As an engineer, you frequently connect with other professionals. As an engineer, you frequently connect with other professionals, which means you need to communicate, cooperate a lot. Developing right soft skill can make your collaboration smoother, help you get tasks done more efficiently. As I already have I have already given you the idea what is the role of engineers, what purpose engineers do serve. So they have a huge role to play in terms of social functioning. So that's why they need to know the present problem, they need to know the what solution, they need to know the cracks of the society that isn't functioning. On the basis of that, and they can innovate, they can build, they can develop new things to serve human society. So that's why engineers need a lot more cooperation, collaboration, teamwork, leadership. So that's why, and we need soft skills. Engineering leaders need a diverse set of and soft skill, including communication, active listening, negotiation, assertiveness to negative to navigate workplace conflicts and client relationship effectively. Beyond technical expertise, engineers, sorry, beyond technical expertise, engineering leaders must excel in assessing, motivating, disciplining, team building to foster a thriving workplace environment. So, as you see that engineers' role as a visionary, engineers' roles as someone on who has and huge challenges to face and who has lot to contribute to the society, and for that and they need to engage society very effectively for that, and they need motivation, discipline, team building, and that is in something and more than technical skill and hard skills. So hard skills only can't and give you this ace to collaborate yourself and with the social functioning. There is another most important aspect of soft skill in the context of engineer that is related to the career growth and progression. And some engineers, they are not already employed and who are studying, and for them and soft skill also give a very good ace, play a very beneficial role, play a very ben- so here soft skills become the decisive factor in distinguishing candidates in competitive job market. So soft skill A can play a role for the students, engineering students who are looking for new job. The candidate with strong soft skills is more likely to secure the position. The future workplace increasingly depend on soft skills such as teamwork, communication, critical thinking, and which are crucial in evolving job market. So now, till this point of time, we understand what is the meaning, what is the relevance of a soft skill at the same time, and we also understand why a soft skill is important in the context of engineers also. So now we'll move to some of the most valued soft skills that are required for engineer to function properly in our competitive workplaces. And these are the most valued and soft skills: effect, effective communication skills, leadership skills, teamwork, problem solving, interpersonal skill, adaptability, and resilience. So all these six skills, and they are connected to each other. They are interconnected to each other. For so now I will go through each of the soft skill briefly, and I will give you a very brief understanding about all these soft skills. Let's move. Effective communication skill. Lack of effective communication skill can make it challenging to establish, maintain, strengthen relationship, especially in workplace. So effective communication also and play a very important role for mutual understanding, for mutual relationship. And without mutual relationship, without mutual understanding, we cannot work in professional sectors, in the workplaces. Clear and responsible communication ensure that messages are delivered without distortion or confusion. When communication is clear, employer understand their task and how they can enhance their performance. So clear, concise, and responsible communication is very important. Without effective communication, we cannot convey our ideas, we cannot convey our opinion, we cannot convey our emotional feelings. And conveying all these aspects is very important to build a proficient workplace. So it means this effective communication is also one of the most important soft skill that we should have, that we must have. And what are the essential communication skills? Speaking skill is one of the essential communication skill. Writing skill is one of the essential communication skills. Reading skill is one of the essential communication skill. Listening skill is one of the essential communication skills. If you have good speaking skills, and we can convey our ideas and properly with proper language. If you have good listening skills, we can understand the environment, we can understand the colleague better manners, and that will also enhance our work ability. If you have good writing skills, and we can share our ideas in more better manner in the written form. If you have good reading skill, what we can do, and we can enhance our capability for knowledge. So with reading, and we can gather more information with reading, and we can have more knowledge. With reading skill, we can uh, have a good wisdom. So so all these effective communication skills are very important, and these are the part of soft skills that we need to have to function in a better manner in the present workforce. The next is leadership skill. Leadership as soft skill encompasses the ability to inspire, motivate, and guide others towards achieving shared goals, objectives. It involves qualities such as effective communication, empathy, integrity, and adaptability. As I have already told you, and this all these and skills are related to each other. And for leadership, and we also need an effective communication. We also need to use empathy. Empathy means a desire to understand and someone, desire to respect someone perspectives, and as well of your own perspectives. Integrity is all about the moral principles and that you have with yourself. Adaptability is all about and how you make yourself comfortable in new situation and understand the present problem and frame yourself as well as make yourself ready for the future challenges. So that this is all about adaptability. So all these and things, effective communication, empathy, integrity are required for and proper leadership skill. And a strong leader demonstrates the capacity to empower team members, creates a positive and inclusive work environment. Leader also involves strategic thinking, decision making, ability to resolve conflicts constructively. Ultimately, effective leadership enhances togetherness, productivity, and overall subjects. So leadership and play a very essential role and for team success. Why? And you already observe that in people who are good at leadership and they are given the role as the CEO of the company, the supervisor of the company, or the principal of the institution, the HOD of the departments. So they aren't given such position, and because they aren't good at leadership, and they can understand people, they can understand his and colleague, and they can understand their colleagues and empower them and also encourage them for teamwork. So next one is teamwork. Teamwork as soft skills refer to ability to collaborate effectively with others towards common goal or objective. It involves communicating openly, listening actively, respecting diverse perspectives and contributing positively to groups dynamics. So teamwork is another essential element of soft skills. So why do you require teamwork? We need a teamwork because we have huge demand for our society to serve. And a single person cannot run a company. A single person cannot run a department. A single person cannot run a college. And whatever task is that, if you want to serve a huge task, so a single person cannot and run a particular workforce. For that, and we need lot many people and their contribution. So as we are working together, teamwork is very essential competencies that we need to have to function properly. So teamwork includes skill such as cooperation, coordination, compromise, and problem solving within a team setting. Effective teamwork fosters synergy, productivity, mutual support among team members. So this, we know that what is the importance of teamwork, and we have the idea what is teamwork about and why we need teamwork. Now move to the next point, that is problem solving. Problem solving as a soft skill involves the ability to identify, analyze, and resolve challenges or obstacles effectively. It includes critical thinking, creativity, resourcefulness in finding innovative solutions to complex problems. So problem solving is one of the most important soft skills. Why? As we say that as engineers or as a person and with any other roles, we are serving for the purpose to make our society better. We are every time and facing some kind of challenges and we are resolving it. We are fulfilling it. So when you face challenges, when you face problem, we need solution for that. So and our society, no way is without any problems. Every time when we solve some problem, in the next phase and we have another problem is waiting. So the all this in workplace workplaces as well as workforces working for the purpose to serve, as well as the engineering workforce. They're actively and serving for the purpose that to serve and in order to make our society better. So in this challenges, while we are facing challenges, and we need to have solution for this also, and for that we need to have problem solving ability. So effective problem solvers demonstrate ability sorry effective problem solver demonstrate adaptability, resilience, capacity to collaborate with others to address issues efficiently. This skill is essential for navigating uncertainties, achieving goals in various personal and professional contexts. So, effective problem solver demonstrate this capability of resilience and the capacity to collaborate to solve any problems. So they have this power of critical thinking, creativity, and resourcefulness. I hope and you got the idea what is in problem solving and what is in problem solving skills. Now we move to the next, adaptability and resilience. It is also one of the most important skill of soft skills. Adaptability and resilience as a soft skill refers to the ability to adjust to new situation, challenges, environment with flexibility and perseverance. It involves staying composed, resourceful in the face of adversity, uncertainty, or change. Why adaptability and resilience is one of the most important soft skill? Why do we need this skill? Because if we have this if we have the ability of resilience, if we have this skill of adaptability, we can adjust ourselves in various and different situations. Even though, and sometimes we may face problems, sometimes we may find that in our life is in turmoil. So, especially individual with strong adaptability and resilience skill, they have demonstrate a special willingness to change. Willingness to change means, and they have the capability to bouncing back and from the problematic situation towards a better prospect. It means, for example, you can see uh, that suppose and you are going through a very bad phase of life, so you don't lose at this point of time, you don't lose your hope, but you try to find the ways to overcome, you try to find the ways to come out from that in particular in difficulty you are facing. So the power of resilience and gives you the power of bouncing back and from the difficulty you are facing and toward a good prospect, towards a and better life. So until now we have almost and discussed till now we have discussed various different aspects of soft skills, and now I will discuss about the science and that give you the signals that you need to improve your soft skill. As strong soft skills are vital for success in today's and professional world, recognizing the signs of weakness signaling a need for improvement. Signs that you need to improve your soft skills. struggling, you are struggling to collaborate, work efficiently in teams. You are struggling to collaborate and work efficiently in teams. Suggest a need for improved teamwork and collaborative skills. The next sign is that an inability to inspire and motivate others or provide a clear direction, highlighting a need for enhanced leadership. Another signal is that inability to inspire and motivate others or provide clear direction, highlighting a need for enhanced leadership and management skill. So if you are not able to inspire and motivate others, so it also is signaling that you need to have leadership skill and management skills. Constantly missing deadlines or feeling overwhelmed by your workload indicates a need for better time management and organization skills. Another signal is that resisting change and struggling to adapt new situation or technologies, signaling a need to improve adaptability and flexibility. Suppose and you are not able to adapt change. You are in a new job, you are in a new place, and but you can't able to adapt. You are resisting to adapt that and change. It means and you need to have you need to improve adaptability and flexibility skills. And when you finding it challenging to resolve conflict or reach constructive solution during disagreement indicates a need for improved conflict resolution and negotiation skills. In our day-to-day life, while working together, we face so many conflicts, so many arguments amongst us. But we cannot able to resolve. If you find that you cannot able to resolve, then you need to improve your conflict resolution and negotiation skills. Lacking empathy and failing to understand or support colleagues, suggesting a need to enhance emotional intelligence and empathy. As I have already told you, empathy is related to the desire and that you hold to understand your own perspective as well as other perspectives. So, if you can't able to understand your colleague and cannot support to understand your colleagues, it means you need to enhance your emotional intelligence. Struggling to build professional relationship, expand your teamwork, efficiently promote yourself indicates a need for better networking and relationship building skills. Difficulty in analyzing complex problem and lacking creative solution, suggesting a need to enhance and problem solving ability. So in our day-to-day life and while working in various work sectors, and we face different kind of and complex problems. And but if we cannot able to have able to give a solution for this problem, or if we are lacking a, in giving a creative solution, then it means that we need to have problem solving abilities. We need to develop our problem solving abilities. So now it is the end of these lectures. I have discussed and various points and related to soft skill, various points and related to soft skills and for engineers. Now it's time to conclude. In the conclusion, I'd like to say, if you maintain a positive attitude and demonstrate a willingness to understand yourself and your surrounding, you will gradually develop soft skill. Soft skills is a very internal process. If you are very observant, if you are conscious, if you are attentive about your own self as well as for others, you will gradually develop it. And in other way, you can develop it and by taking some course By taking some soft skill training, you can develop your soft skills. And remember that in soft skill is one of the essential skill that is required for modern workforce. So now this lecture is over. See you in the next video lecture. And these are the content I haven't consulted while I'm preparing this PPT. Thank you so much for your patience, for being here with me. See you once again.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.